I'm going to put oil, and then this is what you do. Make sure you oil the wok. You really don't need so much oil, yeah? And then you put your garlic, your Chinese sausage, and your prawns, and then put it all together like that, and turn on the fire. Yeah. The reason you turn on the fire later is because you don't want to burn the garlic. And if you put it all together like this, hold it all together, it will not burn the garlic. Yeah. Some people, they start cooking, they do this, and it's bad because why? The garlic will start to burn. So you push it all to the center. Like this. When do you turn the prawns? When half of the side of the prawns turn white. Yeah, now it's transparent.
It's not that long, right? 30 seconds?
Half the prawns, yeah. You can see it's about to turn white. You can see the tail turning white, pinkish. Alright? Okay, now I'm going to turn. Watch me. Pick it up. Turn in one go.
Ooh.
And still put it together because you want to cook the prawns first. You don't want to burn the garlic. That is why you keep it together. Alright? Cook the prawns first because the prawns will be the last to get cooked. So cook the prawns first. You see, your garlic is not burned. Yeah? Now once you can see that the prawns is cooked on both sides, just move it like that. Yeah? To really cook everything. Now, very important now is next, put your noodles. When you put your noodles, your sauce goes in on top of the noodle like that. And using the tip of the ladle, loosen your noodles like that. Don't cut your noodles, but loosen it like this. You loosen it. And bring it back. Now, if at this time there's not enough oil, you can just put a little bit more like that. Yeah? Smells good? Okay, now one side is cooked, I'm going to cook the other side, yeah? All the time, bring it together again. That's why you need a metal ladle, because the scoop is easier like that, yeah?
Ah,
and then
scoop.
And put it in again.
Very nice.
Yeah. Huh? Alright, now the noodles are cooked. You can see it has a little transparent color already. You lower the heat, push it to the side like that. You see, this is not Teflon, this is enamel. So if you have a cast iron, it's fine too. You can scratch. Yeah? Don't knock. Yeah? Scratch. And then put a little oil, and then that's when your egg goes in. Low heat, let the egg harden. The egg white will become white totally, and the egg yolk will also harden. If you don't, you mix it all up, your noodles will all be coated with egg. You don't want that. You want texture.
Yeah.
You want texture.
I always have that problem. I mix it all up.
So you can always increase the heat a little to fasten up. It all depends on your working, your hand, yeah, your technique, yeah. I don't want the heat too high because I don't want the egg yolk, egg white to burn.
Got it.
So I lower the heat again. I want to slowly harden the egg. But sometimes if you are fast, then you can do it. But if you're not fast, you are learning, best to do one plate at a time. That's why you are going to do twice. Okay? Now plate. Yes. See, the egg white is all whitey, getting hardened. Yeah, because I increase the heat, so I can see some browning. I lower the heat again. And so when you cook, you have to cook with your 5 senses.